CWC unanimously requested Sri Rahul Gandhi ji to take the leader of the opposition position in Lok Sabha. All the participants unanimously put up their views on this issue. Everybody was unanimous that Rahul ji should take leader of the opposition position in the Lok Sabha. Rahul ji is the best person to lead this campaign inside the parliament. This is what the CWC's view.
Breaking inputs coming in. Chorus for Rahul as leader of opposition is intensifying after Rahul seeks time to decide. Manikam Tagore says he hopes Rahul accepts the leader of opposition post. We have Ankit and Niyamika both on the broadcast. Let's go across to Ankit first. Ankit, Manikam Tagore in fact was the first one, if I remember clearly, to put out that post requesting Rahul Gandhi to be the leader of opposition, isn't it?
In fact, that is what he has replied to. This was his post saying, I sought votes in the name of my leader Rahul Gandhi. I think he should be leader of the Congress in Lok Sabha. I hope elected Congress MPs also think the same. Let's see what happens. And now to that he is responding, Swati. This is his latest tweet. Hope my leader Rahul Gandhi accepts the responsibility of leader of the opposition. Congress Working Committee and elected Congress MPs unanimous view waiting for his acceptance, Rahul Gandhi for LOP. So it is quite a swift turnaround if you really look at it over 5 years. 5 years ago, after the 2019 polls, there was a whole inquest happening in the Congress. Rahul Gandhi was writing a copious resignation letter as Congress president. Right now, it appears it's his rise. They want him as the leader of the party in the Lok Sabha.
Absolutely. Rahul Gandhi has to make two important decisions, Ankit. One, which parliamentary seat is he going to keep? And two, now whether he's going to accept this request or not. Niyamika is also with us on the broadcast. Niyamika, what are the murmurs? Yes, what we officially know now is that time has been sought. But what are you picking up?
Well, the chorus is growing within the Congress party as there are many leaders within the Congress who are demanding that Rahul Gandhi should take the post of the leader of opposition. And that's the only reason why a resolution was also being passed by the Congress Working Committee in which all the members have said and asked Rahul Gandhi to take up the post of the leader of opposition. Not just the members, but in fact, the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has also, mentioned it in the meeting that it is very much necessary on the part of Rahul Gandhi to now listen to the voices of the people, because it's because of his Yatra, Bharat Jodo Yatra, that the Congress party is being able to perform really well on the ground, because a very positive message was being given throughout this Yatra, that the Congress party is there amid the people to listen to them, to listen to the voices of the people and to raise these real issues within the parliament. And that's why the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has said that Rahul Gandhi should lead the opposition in Lok Sabha. However, as per the sources, it is being informed to us that Rahul Gandhi has sought some time from the Congress members to think about it and then take a decision. So we can expect that in the next few days we can formal announcement is going to be made by the Congress party. But clearly the manner in which all the Congress members are constantly raising this demand, it is now the Congress MP Manikam Tagore who is saying continuously that he hopes
Niyamika,
that Rahul Gandhi...
stay on with us. Let's break down the details of what you are telling us and what our sources are telling us. Rahul Gandhi is likely to retain Rai Bareli. As far as making a decision on which seat he should keep and leave, sources suggest he's going to retain Rai Bareli. According to sources, this discussion was taken up during the CWC meeting where UP Congress raised a demand that he should keep Rai Bareli. Niyamika is with us on the broadcast. Niyamika, perhaps the Congress does not want to send out a message again to the people of Uttar Pradesh that Rahul Gandhi has chosen Wayanad over Rai Bareli.
Well, clearly, and that's why the Kerala Congress unit hasn't, opposed this idea which was being given by the UP Congress unit, as the UP Congress has raised this demand that Rahul Gandhi should choose Rai Bareli instead of Wayanad, because the manner in which the India bloc has performed really well in the state of Uttar Pradesh, it has clearly given a message in the North India, and that's why they are saying that it is very much necessary on the part of Rahul Gandhi to retain Rai Bareli instead of Wayanad. However, no formal announcement has been made as of now, and it is being told to us by our sources that Rahul Gandhi will be visiting Amethi and Rai Bareli tomorrow, and Wayanad Wayanad day after tomorrow, as Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is also going to accompany him to Wayanad, and Sonia Gandhi as well as Priyanka Gandhi will be there along with Rahul Gandhi in Amethi and Rai Bareli, as they will be present in the Abhar Yatra of the UP Congress, in which they will thank the people of Amethi and Rai Bareli to make the Congress party win. But as per the sources, it is being told to us that most likely Rahul Gandhi is going to retain the Rai Bareli seat, because this is a demand which is being raised by many of the Congress members, and no objection was being raised by the Kerala Congress unit, seeing the political importance of that
the formal announcement. Rahul Gandhi will go to Rai Bareli and Wayanad on 11th of 12th of June, perhaps to get a sense of what's happening on ground. Niyamika, thank you for getting us the details. We'll get a quick break of the broadcast.